Number 4, the machine gun technique. Are you familiar with this? When you use a machine gun, you don't use it when you want it. Meaning, I'll do it later. I'll do it again in a while. When you use a machine gun, it is what it is. You just do it in one blow. So the machine gun technique is when you decide that if the person has an issue, you keep it on a certain special day. So meaning if the issue happened on July, August, September, October, you will not see it on those days. You will wait for the January, February evaluation. And you would see it in one big blow. Now, this is a very efficient way. Why? It doesn't eat up a lot of your time. But it's also one of the most not so effective way. In fact, I think it's one of the worst ways to give feedback. You only give feedback because it's convenient to you. 2 things that happens. 1, the employee feels betrayed. Boss, we were laughing last week. Boss, we were in a party last month. You had all these issues with me all these times. I wish you told it to me earlier. Number 2, it wasn't fair for the employee because if they want to improve, they should know it earlier so that they have a longer runway to make those changes. Walang gulatan. Don't surprise me that I wasn't performing well. I want to know it as early as I can.